Well, I'd like to make this video of Silong Na, one of Willie and Benny's great songs. These guys, what a team. I'm hoping we get to see more music from both of them as soon as we get our show on TV5 going. So, it finally happened. The 23rd of October, not the 10th. You know, things get delayed, construction problems, logistical things, but it's happening. We're all going to get our show back. And this time it's going to be better than Wow Wow Wee because Willie's got creative control, doesn't have the constraints of ABS-CBN network. Don't ever call them dorks. You'll get banned from their website. So let me do this song now. I love this one. I love all of Willie's songs. So we'll give this one a shot.
Lagi na lang naiisip ka, nanais na tuwing na magkasama. Ikaw ang tibok ang damdamin ko, ganyan din ang madarama sa'yo. Bawat saglit ay laging hanap ka, pag-ibig ang aking nadarama. Sinong nasa aking puso ng iyong naramdaman, pagmamahal na tunay at walang katapusan. Silong na at pagsaluhan natin ang pagmamahal. Ako ay para sa'yo, ikaw ay aking laman. Alipin ako na pag-ibig mo, umasa kang sa'yo'y di magbabago. Sa wakas, iibigin ka. Alam mo bang mahal na mahal kita? Bawat saglit ay laging hanap ka, pag-ibig ang aking nadarama. Sinong nasa aking puso ng iyong naramdaman, pagmamahal na tunay at walang katapusan. Sinong naapagsaluhan natin ang pagmamahal. Ako ay para sa'yo, ikaw ay aking laman. Sinong nasa aking puso ng iyong maramdaman, pagmamahal na tunay at walang katapusan. Silong naapagsaluhan natin ang pagmamahal. Ako ay para sa'yo, ikaw ay aking laman. Silong na
See y'all on TV5. Willie, April. I hope everybody's back. Po Kwong, stay with the sinking ship. You're plastic, you'll float.